Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss is here. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you don't know what's going on with people. When I see things when I rate, when I like, I definitely have to talk about it and I definitely have to attack it, my people. So this story that I'm going to cover, my people, not the first I'm going to talk about this incident, you understand? But first, I'm going to talk about this particular part of this incident, my viewers and subscribers. And we are talking about Kaylan Dowdie, my people. Because this, what really happened to Kaylan, my people, happened few, say years ago, back in 2020, my people. But now it come forward now where I've seen the mother of Kaylan Dowdie, my people. You understand? A claim say now she owe $41 million plus hospital bill in Jamaica. No, on a real level. Because after them say Kaylan spent over 18 months in the hospital, my viewers and subscribers, now her hospital bill is estimated over $41 million Jamaican dollar. After Kaylan was attacked and brutally beaten, almost killed by a set of lamb pile in Jamaica, my people. But now the mother have to stand all the pressure, my people. Luckily and thanks to God that Kaylan have life today, my people. But now all the responsibilities of the hospital bill is in her hand, my people. Jamaica, welcome to the land of food and water. So, first of all, before I go into this vlog, my people, I'm going to read the article. And after I read the article, my viewers and subscribers are also going to share a clip of Kaylan Dowdie, mom, Vanessa, speaking out, my people, Vanisha Buckley, about this incident. And my people, and giving her thoughts towards and what she think was the right move for the government or whoever responsible for this thing, with the hospital thing, my people. Because, on my point of view, my people, I don't think she should be responsible for this hospital bill. I think this should be in the hands of these wicked and cruel one who beat, you understand, almost kill the human pitney. And also the government. You get what I'm saying, my people? Because if them have them law and them rules, the people, then them pay a bill. Don't put stress on the human head. But let me just read this thing, my people. Then I share the video, then I drop back in. I don't know how the thing go. After spending 18 months at the University Hospital of the West Indies, UWI, and amid the continued need for medical care, Kaylan Dowdie's hospital bill now stands at $41 million. Vanisha Buckley, the mother of the battered teenager who fought for her life after an alleged attack at a party in November 2020, says she is doing her best. She told News that she does not intend to neglect her responsibilities where the hospital bill is concerned, but admitted that things are difficult. With the need for medical care ongoing for her now 19-year-old daughter Buckley, said she has not been able to breathe easily and is now saddled with a bill that neither she nor her daughter intentionally incurred. Expressing dissatisfaction with the case involving those accused of injuring her child, Buckley said she is the one who is constantly embarrassed as a result of the bill that she is unable to pay. While she said she needs to make better career choices to be able to provide for her family, Buckley said she will be grateful if the government could assist with a portion of the cost. Kaylan, then 17 years old, was allegedly beaten by 5 women while attending an illegal party on November 7, 2020. The women who reportedly beat and stabbed Kaylan in a brawl were later arrested and charged. They were Shakima McLeod, otherwise called Kima, Nadine Aldridge, Yolan Vassam, Timon Williams, otherwise called Rusty, and Cassian Lewis, otherwise called Chrissy. They are charged with wounding with intent and unlawful wounding and are to appear in the Supreme Court on November 6, 2023. Jaja says, Jaja knows the people. So, check out this video, my people, of Kaylan Dowdie, mother. You understand? Speaking out, then the attacking boss drop back in, my people.
The bill. The bill at you is $41+ million. Last week when I was up there, every day I went up there, I had to sign a new document because every time you go to the cashier to register, they give you another document to sign to say, hey, this is the agreement. Even though you signed one already, and even if you're doing it, they still want some, they keep documenting. You have to be signing this paper over and over to say that, hey, this is the agreement and this, and they explained it to me that it's just protocol, but it's kind of embarrassing. The thing is this, what I'm doing now in terms of work can barely make it, right? You know, things, I don't have a big K company, I don't have a big this, and I don't have a record deal to say that, hey, I'm making millions of dollars, I'm making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So what I'm making is really hand to mouth to buy food, to this, to that, and, you know, it's very hard. I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to be neglectful towards it.
In my view, they were never supposed to be granted bail. They were never supposed to, all of this, you know? All these things. The case was put off for like, 2 years. Come on, who does that? Remember, I have to live, I have to pay. See, the UE bill there, 41 point odd million dollars. They should be paying the bill. All the expenses that have incurred over time, the surgeries, everything, they should be footing these bills. The government is not fair any at all. They are not fair. Whosoever is in charge of these things, they're not fair. Why should I have to foot these bills? Why should I have to incur all of this stress? When I go up there, I was embarrassed the other day when I go up there to register Kaylan, she was in pain. And I was embarrassed because other persons were looking at me. What are you going to do about the bill that you have here? I said, what do you mean? I do plan to pay the bill, but if me not have it, me just not have it at the time, at the moment. Your last payment was made at this time, and you notice you haven't made a payment since then, and then what you doing about it now? So I am going through the disrespect and embarrassment over a bill that my child didn't go and incur, and I didn't go and incur. Out of sheer jealousy and stupidity, did something irrational and inhumane, causing a child to almost lose her entire life and to set her back for years.
So my viewers and my subscribers, on a real level, my people, real level, and be truthful, no matter where we hear Kaylan though, the mother, you understand, did come forward and speak about some stuff where she did say about cartel, because a lot of cartel fans did feel away where she has a cartel, should have do this and she used to their own cartel, and don't put that in the play right now. We are dealing with realistic thing on a different level, a different side of thing right now, pertaining to this $41 million hospital bill. And do you all think it should have been this weird this lady have to pay all of this money, my people? Our system in Jamaica is so messed, my people. It's so corrupt. That's all I have to say, my viewers and subscribers. And it is not right. You understand? It should not be weird. This lady have to come forward now, my people, and pay all of this money. On a real level, so much money, my people, over 41 million Jamaican dollar. If you know, say, yo, are them lamp pile, them mash up the human pitney? A straight attack, my viewers and subscribers, straight attack. And I think, say, honestly, for my plea, I don't think she should pay it. I think these 5 lamp pile, they should stand full responsibility of paying this bill. And if the government don't want to put it, if them pay it, then the government himself take it out of them pocket and pay it. But I don't think this lady should pay this bill, my people. You understand? I don't think so. It is wrong, totally wrong, and a straight attack for that. Straight attack for the government system in Jamaica. Corrupt, attack. Wickedness. I want to stop style for poor people, man. Too much now, my people. And as I say, a lot of people may not like this lady. A lot of people may disagree with her with some things that she said in the past. But on a real level, people, we are dealing with a different side of thing right now. And this is what I'm talking about. So on a real level, government system, fix it up and clear the human bill. She not have to pay nothing. Straight up. She not have to pay nothing. You understand? The 5 lamp pile them want to have, I want to put them on bail. They should be responsible because they delay a case and delay this and delay that. You understand? The way done in 2023, in this year. You understand? They should fully responsible for paying this bill. Not Kaylan, mommy, not Kaylan. And I just say it there. My people, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comment. So don't know. One team, one dream, one scheme. Stay safe. Blessings. Peace out. Big up.
Alright, this is my son Dante. Alright, him have a rare condition called TOF. He have it since him a baby. From him born. But I guess them never assess him very well because them when me have him they say keep him warm. Nothing wrong with him. Find out say him have a problem when him round one. Wherein a TOF him have. Not even can call the word something off the fallout. Where him have four art defects. So basically like figure run down it than the medical's name. Him have a hole in him heart wherein him have a lungs problem too. And him blue blood cells are mixed in the red blood cells too much and something else. I don't quite remember everything word to word, but in the medical words I can't call those words honestly. Yeah. And me been a go bust a manty with him. We're in him got 2 clinic, regular clinic and the surgery clinic. In which them say them it's a very long list. Right? Even reach a point where one of the doctor them said to me say if me understand how serious my son condition is. And when me say to her like me say yes, she say it seems like me understand how serious it is. And she like you can get one nice spell one day and he just gone. As in he can just dead. And me smile. Because me I try to put the best outside for him. So me not see him 2 weeks wearing, you know, me can't do that for him. You understand? But you reach a point where I feel like mother explode sometime because me honestly don't know what else to do. You get me? Me dey seek other alternatives on how to get him to do him surgery. And it going to take a lot when me not have like 22,000 US or more. And just the thought of it, it's killing me. Honestly. That kill me. But me try to put the best outside. Yeah, I try.